Welcome to our channel. Is clutter taking over your home? Today, we're sharing must-have gadgets that will transform your cleaning routine and keep your space spotless. Let's dive in. Robot vacuum. Imagine a vacuum that works while you relax. This smart device navigates your floors, ensuring every corner is dust-free without lifting a finger. Motion sensor trash can. Say goodbye to touch and mess. This innovative trash can opens automatically when you approach, making disposal super convenient. Mop and bucket with wringer set. Mopping made easy with this all-in-one set. The built-in wringer allows for quick drying, so you can keep your floors sparkling clean without the hassle. Rolling cleaning caddy bag. No more searching for cleaning supplies. This rolling caddy keeps everything organized and within reach, making your cleaning sessions efficient and easy. Squeegee. Achieve streak-free windows effortlessly. This handy tool makes it simple to keep your glass surfaces crystal clear, whether indoors or outdoors. Shoe covers dispenser. Protect your floors with this stylish dispenser. Simply pull out a shoe cover to keep dirt and grime at bay when guests come over. Power scrubber. Tackle tough grime with this powerful scrubber. Its rotating brush makes cleaning surfaces like tiles and grout a breeze, saving you time and effort. Microfiber sleeves. Dusting just got easier with these handy sleeves. Slip them on your hands and easily clean surfaces without using sprays or chemicals. Foldable drawer organizer set. Create tidy and organized drawers with this versatile set. These foldable organizers are perfect for maximizing space in any room. Collapsible storage bins. Declutter your home easily with these stylish bins. They collapse flat when not in use, saving space and adding a flair to your organization. Cord organizer. Keep your cords tangle-free with this clever organizer. Make your workspace or living area look neater and stress-free by managing those pesky cables. Rotating makeup organizer. Easily access all your makeup essentials with this rotating organizer. Its sleek design fits any vanity and saves time during your beauty routine. Door pantry organizers. Maximize space in your pantry with these clever door organizers. They make it easy to find and store snacks, spices, and more without taking up precious shelf space. Extendable dish drying rack. Dry your dishes without the mess using this extendable rack. Its adjustable size allows it to fit any sink, keeping your countertop organized and neat. Cube storage organizer. Customize your space with this versatile cube organizer. Perfect for books, toys, or decor. It adds both style and function to any room. Undersink organizer. Make the most of your cupboard space with this undersink organizer. Keep cleaning supplies and toiletries neatly arranged and easily accessible. Q-tip holder. Say goodbye to messy cotton swabs. This elegant holder not only keeps Q-tips organized, but adds a touch of decor to your bathroom or vanity. Stackable storage drawers. Maximize vertical space in your home with these stackable drawers. They're perfect for clothing, office supplies, or craft materials, keeping everything. Silicone stovetop shelf. Create extra counter space with this ingenious stovetop shelf. It's perfect for placing utensils while cooking, making meal prep much more convenient. Over the fridge caddy. Utilize that often neglected space above your fridge. This caddy is perfect for storing spices or snacks, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. 3-tier corner shelf. Utilize those awkward corners with this stylish 3-tier shelf. It provides ample storage for plants, books, or decor, making every inch of your space count. 5-tier pull-out utility shelf. Organize your pantry or closet with this innovative pull-out shelf. Easy to access, it allows you to see and reach every item without the hassle. Bedside organizer. Keep your nighttime essentials at your fingertips with this bedside organizer. Perfect for books, glasses, and gadgets, it declutters your nightstand in style. Underbed storage. Maximize underbed space with these handy storage bins. They keep seasonal clothes and extra linens tucked away and out of sight yet easily accessible. Countertop toothbrush holder. Make your morning routine simpler with this sleek toothbrush holder. It keeps brushes organized and countertop clutter-free, adding a modern touch to your bathroom. Hanging hamper. Transform laundry day with this convenient hanging hamper. Perfect for small spaces, it allows you to collect laundry without taking up valuable floor space. Cute cartoon hanging trash can. Bring whimsy to your cleaning routine with this adorable hanging trash can. It's perfect for kitchens or bathrooms and encourages tidiness with a smile. Hanging mesh storage bags. Make use of vertical space with these versatile hanging mesh bags. Ideal for toys, craft supplies, or bathroom items, they offer breathable storage in any R. Space-saving pants hanger. Keep your pants organized and wrinkle-free with this clever hanger. It saves space in your closet while allowing easy access to all your favorite white plastic storage baskets. Simplify your organizing with these minimalist white storage baskets. They blend seamlessly with any decor, perfect for storing everything from toiletries to pantry staples. Metal kitchen organizer rack. Enhance your kitchen's functionality with this sturdy metal organizer rack. It's perfect for keeping cookware and spices within reach, all while adding a modern edge. No-drill adhesive hooks. Hang your items without damaging walls with these smart adhesive hooks. Perfect for keys, kitchen tools, or towels. They offer a hassle-free organizing solution. Refrigerator storage basket. Optimize your fridge space with these handy storage baskets. They keep fruits, vegetables, and snacks neatly organized and easily accessible, reducing waste and spoilage. Wall-mounted bathroom slipper rack. Keep your bathroom clutter-free with this wall-mounted slipper rack. It's a cute and practical way to store slippers or flip-flops while saving valuable floor space. Wall-mounted phone charging stand. Charge your devices conveniently with this wall-mounted charging stand. It keeps your phone easily accessible while keeping cords neatly organized. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to Things from Mars. Share your favorite organizing gadget in the comments, and see you next time.